Hey guys, so just sharing an experience with you. We went to the Buttermilk Falls today. It was around 213 miles away from my home, and this is the new Honda CRV that I brought, and it's only 1925 miles on it, so it's a brand new one. And while returning back from the Buttermilk Falls, actually the car was uh, not in a good balance, so we just understood that something might have happened. So it was totally a disbalanced car. So then we came and we just saw that the tire is in this condition, as you can see here. We came to a quick check just nearby, and we are standing here. And so right now we have just called the roadside assistance of Honda, so they promptly responded back. But the problem is it would take around 1.5 to 2 hours of time for them to come and repair this tire. And at this point in time, we are just waiting for them. And let's see what happens once I, call the dealership and tell them. Then I will share that experience along with you again, because my car is in a warranty, and it's just a brand new car. So I hope that right now they just put on the spare tire, and then after that the dealership helps me out to replace the tire. And let's see, I'll share the experience with you. Now the AAA has come to help us out to replace the spare tire. Now let's see what happens.
Here we go.
Where is the cut coming from?
Yeah. This one, right?
Oh my goodness.
Brand new tire.
Watch your hands in there.
Oh yeah,
See?
sorry.
It cuts you like it's like a razor. You rub your hands in, it's cut you, slice you.
Yeah, thank you.
Please be careful.
Yeah, you have a good. See, this is the tire, and you can see the condition of the tire here. So this was the original Honda tire actually. So now, as you can see here, we have the spare tire here. So right now we have the spare tire. So we need to take the car to the dealership and see what they do with it. So let's see what happens there. So we are now heading towards the dealership.
You have reached your destination.
Yeah, I called in the morning. They said that you can just come in. I called in the morning. They said that I can just come in.
For oil change?
No, it's my new Honda CRV. That it's 2,000 miles on it right now. The tire blasted actually. So this weekend. Yeah, the tires, but the right rear tire blasted.
Oh, okay.
Right. So they told that to come and have a visit.
Okay, that's fine. You can just stand on.
Like a feeling that this is not. Are you guys gonna wait here with us? Are you gonna wait here with us?
Stay right there.
Busy right now. It's gonna be about 2 hours or so. We have.
Hey guys, this is really disheartening. I brought the new Honda CRV of 2020, and it just has 2,000 miles on it. And the rear right tire that got blasted, I do not know why it got totally flat. And this was the first long drive I took with the car, and it was around 200 miles that I just drove. And on that, while returning back, this happened. and now they're saying that this can happen, and I need to pay out of my pocket, and they have billed me $175. Hey guys, so as you can see, the new tire has been installed, and this is the new one. So they just put this new tire. This rim is the same old one that I had. In fact, I should not say old one, this is a new car. So but they have just changed the tire, and for this tire they are saying it's a 2-year warranty that they would give. Anyway, the 4 tires were new, but they don't give warranty on those tires. But since I have put out of pocket $168 and put this tire again, now they're giving 2 years of warranty on top of this. So that's it for now. Hey guys, so to conclude the things, let me give you few advice and suggestions. So if you're going to buy a new car like Honda that I have brought, so when you go to the dealership, they will quote you a price that would be way higher than the price of the car actually. So therefore just look out for those prices, like extra fees that they take. They will be like quoting you for some preparation fees and for some vandalism, but you don't need all those things because you already have your own insurance with comprehensive maybe, and then the preparedness fee, actually they should give you a prepared car because you are buying a new one, right? So just look out for those kind of things, and on top of that, what I would suggest is, if required, then take the insurance for your tires, because as you know now that they don't give insurance for tires. So try to take the insurance for tires. That would help you, because if with the new car with 2000 miles on it, if the tire goes flat, that's disheartening actually. So I would say that you take that package or the insurance for your tires, so that at least you will not have to give anything out of your pocket for that purposes. Do let me know in the comments box if you have any further questions, and I can definitely try to answer those based on my experience, of course, what I had. But I would like to say that this car, the Honda CR-V, is a good car. I did not face any other problem other than this flat tire till now. So yeah, always I would recommend it, but yeah, check out the dealership from where you are buying it actually. That matters. So yeah, thank you so much.